Hi everyone, this is Austin behind Origami Guy 04, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami $1 boat. And this is a traditional design, and this is folded from a single dollar bill, using no cutting, taping, or gluing. And alright, let's get started. Alright, so here's the boat up close. It's really cool. And so to fold this, all you need is a real US $1 bill. So let's begin. I'm going to begin with the face side down, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge up. So we're folding it right up to the E in the word one. Oh, and by the way, you can also use an ordinary sheet of printer paper for this. And if you are, you don't need to do this step. Increase sharply. Rotate. And now we're going to repeat on this side, and the guide mark for this one is we're going to fold this edge up to the F of the word of America. So right up to the F. Alright, so this is the dimension of paper we need right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to begin with the face side down, and we're going to fold in half in both directions. And try to keep these layers down so they don't slide like this. So fold in half both ways. Alright, now this way. Okay, now don't unfold. We're going to rotate like this so the two edges are facing you. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the crease. So it's just like we're making a paper airplane. Crease sharply and repeat on this side. So take this edge and fold it to the middle, just like we're making a paper airplane. Alright, and then crease sharply. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge up as far as it goes. So we're folding it up right over the edge. And crease nice and sharp. Turn over and repeat on this side. So fold it up as far as it goes. And crease sharply. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to open the model like this, put your finger all the way inside, and we're going to bring these 2 points together. So just bring them in like this until they meet, and that's what it looks like. Okay, now what we're going to do is notice that these points do not lie flat, but they're going to. And how are we going to do that? Well, keep it like this, open this pocket, and tuck this edge inside there. Or not the edge, but that point. See? And now it lies flat. And repeat on this side. So open the left pocket and stick this point inside. So that way it lies flat. Okay, now let me zoom in so it's easier to see. And take this corner and we're going to fold it to the top. Give that a nice strong crease. And if there's a raw edge right here, just be careful so you don't rip it. But if you're using printer paper, you shouldn't see an edge right there. Okay, well, you shouldn't. So if you're using printer paper, you shouldn't see any raw edges. Okay, turn over and repeat. So fold this up to the top. And crease sharply. It helps to use the desk and crease sharply. That helps a lot, actually. And if you're using a dollar bill and if there's a raw edge right there, just be really careful so you don't rip it. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to open up the model again, similar to like we did before. Bring these 2 points together. Like that. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and we're going to take this flap and just kind of fold it both ways. And now just make it so it sticks straight up. Alright, and now just kind of just shape it to taste until it looks like a boat. And once you did that, your origami $1 boat is all done. Yeah, it's a pretty cool model. Hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed forming this origami $1 boat. And make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye bye.